Welcome to my series where I'm not a pro makeup artist, but I try to be. So happy you're here. Pause if you didn't see the get dressed with me and go back and watch that video where we picked out this really cute outfit and you can see the full effect. But now we're getting into this winter wonderland makeup look. What we're gonna do is snowflakes because of this white and blue vibe. So let's get into it. Do I know what I'm doing? No. I'm not gonna lie, I'm having a really hard time figuring out the order of operations here. My idea is that I wanna do like a blue here and then the white snowflake. So I'm like, do I start with the white snowflake or with the blue base? I would think the blue base, right? I'm stressed out. We're gonna start with the blue and then worst case scenario, start over again. I'm gonna go in with the About Face eye paint. This is my holy grail. I'm obsessed with this eye paint. I mean, look at that pigment and you're about to see how easy it is to blend this out. Sometimes I use my fingers, sometimes I use a brush. Okay, see how it just creates like a base effect? Oh my God, I'm already obsessed with that. Okay, so we're gonna do the other eye. I'm just going in and coating a layer. I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. And it's okay if it smudges because I can clean it up. I don't know what I'm doing. I never planned this shit out. I probably should then go in to my under eye, this out. It's okay if it's messy. That's kind of the point of these eye paints. And it's okay if we get something in our eye. I always do. Quite literally took me 3 minutes, maybe less. That is so simple. Look how gorgeous this is. Just to make the blue really pop in my inner corner, I'm going in with this Nomad Venice Simplon Express. I use this a lot for the red, but we're actually gonna go in and use the blue. And I think I'm just gonna pop it like right here. Yeah, see? Really to make that blue pop a bit more. Smoke out this top a little bit. I just realized I'm wearing white. This probably wasn't the best decision to like do this makeup in this outfit, but here we are. I'm just a full glam girl, sue me. I kind of created a little wing effect on this side. I'm actually really loving the eye shape here. Now we're gonna try to go in with some white. Bear with me. I'm scared. I mean, what's the worst thing that happens? My makeup look like shit? Well, we've been there, done that. Like my cup, it says Dog Mom. We're gonna take a sip of Diet Dr. Pepper to give ourselves some confidence. All right, let's do it. Shocker, About Face Shadow Sticks. Oh, wait. She kind of ate down. Shut up, shut up, shut up. That's a snowflake. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. No pressure. No pressure at all. She ate. Shut up. Should we do another one? Like here, like a little one? No, I'm confident. No, I think that was cute. I think maybe just the one. I think another one would be too much on this side. Like a liner look. Wait. Wait, work. Yeah, that was the vibe. Now that that is done, we're gonna go in with my favorite palette of all time, the Sparkle Dreams Shein palette. And they have this Gorgina sparkly white. So we're gonna trace everything with that. This is gonna make it really come alive. A little bit of just like a sparkle inner corner with it. Oh, the amount of glitter in my eye right now. Oh, the amount of glitter in my eye right now. Almost blinded myself with freaking glitter. That in the brow bone is sickening. Now I think I'm gonna take a little gem and just add it. All of these little gems, I think I just get them off Amazon. I'll link them down below. Where'd it go? Bitch. Bitch. Oh, I hate when that happens because now you know I'm gonna find it somewhere. There we go. Okay. Bitch. Because they really do make a look, but they are so hard. Is she a makeup artist? No, but she tries. I've decided just to add a couple, just a couple, before I lose my mind. Why be basic and boring when you can have snowflakes on your face? Go. Where did it go? Oh, it's on there. So I'm gonna try this Ilia mascara. We're just gonna coat our top lashes and our bottom lashes. Use my eyeliner to clean up my lash line. Biggest pet peeves when I close my eyes and you can see like the lash glue. Set it and forget it with my e.l.f. spray, and I'm also gonna brush up my eyebrows just to kind of freshen them up with my About Face brow pencil. I just realized I have this blue sparkly lip gloss. LA Girl USA. Shut the front door. Oh, that tied it all together. And this is the final look. I hope you all love it as much as I do. Let's do a little close-up. Thank you so much for joining me. All the products will be linked down below if you want to shop the look. I'm gonna say this was a success. Let me know if you like the look down below, and I will see you in the next one. Stay hot.